Guru coming around the mountain. Yeah, man, back out here. Back in the pizza mobile. I got some pizza. Yeah, this is a special edition of Guru coming around the mountain. Not doing a frozen pizza review. Not doing fresh pizza. Now I'm doing something sort of like in a league of its own. Up on the hot plate. We're going to look at this one. Chef Boyardee, pizza maker. Yeah, listen, I was eating Chef Boyardee, back in the 1970s, back in them days, you only had 7 or 8 TV channels to watch, The old rabbit ear antennas, man, A little bit of the left, a little bit of right. Right there, man. Great picture, man. Keep it right there. Yeah, back in them days, man. And we used to have Chef Boyardee occasionally, my oldest brother. He used to make it. And we were a bunch of starving kids in Port Richmond, man. And it was great stuff. Great stuff. And I didn't have Chef Boyardee for several years, like decades. And it wasn't until 2013 that I started to make it myself. And I made my first one in 2013, and I've been making them ever since. So we're going to take a look at this pizza today, and we're going to see how good it is. And you can see for yourself of this long-time favorite, long-time perennial, Chef Boyardee. He had a guy on the box, man. See that guy there? That's Hector. Hector Boyardee. Not Boyardee. Boyardee. Yeah. When he started the Chef Boyardee line, they changed his name, make it more American sounding, I guess, and they changed it to Boyardee. But his real name is Boyardee. If you look it up, yeah, he came from Italy, and he was very successful. Kind of like Mama Celeste, started restaurants, got popular, and he started marketing his products in the pizza maker and raviolis and everything else. So, okay, let's take a look. Do a first look for Chef Boyardee pizza. Take a look. Take a look at that. And I'll tell you what. I don't put any additional toppings on this pizza when I have it. I just have it with the sauce, and I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese or grated cheese, Romano cheese, and that's it. Take a look at that, man. Looks fantastic. All right, let's put it down. We'll do a slice and score. Let's check it out. Look at that. Take a look at that, man. Now, look. The thing about Chef Boyardee pizza maker, you got to know how to cook it. You got to know how to cook it. If you don't know how to cook it, it's going to be a disaster. Trust me. I know. I've made plenty of them early on. And but I've perfected it now. I know how to make them. So you're in good hands here on this video. I know how to make this pizza. You can see. Looks incredible. All right, here we go. Guru! Coming around the mountain. Chef Boyardee pizza. Wow. I mean, for me, Chef Boyardee, the sauce is the boss with this pizza. I mean, look, if you want to put mozzarella cheese on it, pepperoni, sausage, knock yourself out. Go ahead. Whatever. I like it just The sauce and a little bit of grated cheese, it's fantastic. Mmm. So good. The crust, when like I said, when you make it correctly, crust is very good. The underside, I put it in the oven like normally, roll the dough, put it in the oven. I'll bake it for 30 to 35 minutes, like 380 degrees. Like a 30 to 35 minutes. The crust is golden brown, it's ready to rock and roll. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. The sauce has just got so much pop and flavor. I love it. I love it. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Yeah. You know something? I could easily eat half of this pie. My wife has one half, I could have the other half. We kill a whole pizza, man. It's so good. So good. The other good thing about this pizza is if you don't eat the whole thing and you put it in the refrigerator, it'll keep the next day. You heat it back up. It's just as good. It's just as good. You know, a lot of like fresh pizza, it's only good for that moment. The next day when you go to reheat it, not as good. You know, it doesn't. It loses something. It doesn't quite have the same power that it did that first night that you got that fresh pizza. But this pizza holds. It's good now. It'll be good tomorrow if I go to reheat it. It's great stuff. I'm going to score Chef Boyardee. You know, listen. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna put it in with frozen pizza. I'm not gonna put it in with fresh pizza. It's in a league of its own. It's in a league of its own. I do like it more than a lot of frozen pizza, though. I'll tell you that. I might even like it more than any frozen pizza that I've had. I like it that much. I mean, I highly recommend it. I'm going to give Chef Boyardee. I'm going to score this. I'm going to give it an 8.1 for just on its own terms. Not comparing it with fresh pizzas. It's just in its own category, if that makes sense. Yeah. So go out, get a box of this, and make it the right way. You won't be disappointed. It's delicious. It's delicious pizza. Yeah. Okay. That is a wrap and a review. Take a look. One last time. Rock solid. Chef Boyardee. Okay. I'll see you all later. And thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day. And everybody take care and be well. I'll see you all next time. The Guru.